Okay, so this must be one of the smallest, if not the smallest, celebration you'll ever see on TikTok. Yes, one of the smallest. But I would say this is the most genuine celebration you'll ever see. Bakit? Well, it's because, drumroll, we are celebrating the 22 subscribers. Yes, you heard me right. 22 subscribers. Gusto ko siyang i-celebrate na kasama kayo. How I started the journey and how this 22 subscribers also gave me reason to continue on what I've started. Before, iniisip ko lang, nanonood lang ako ng mga content creators on YouTube, YouTubers. And while watching them, sabi ko, parang gusto kong subukan. But I never had the opportunity nor had the chance na gawin. It's because of so many reasons. Number one, I don't have the confidence. Well, most especially, takot ako na makita yung sarili ko sa harapan ng camera. Pero that also gave me the reason or the encouragement to do so. Kaya allow me to celebrate the 22 subscribers and allow me to say thank you for the bottom of my heart because I really appreciate it. Kaya, isi-share ko sa inyo tong cake na to. It's a cathedral window na gustong gusto ko na, yeah, kinuha ko kanina sa Goldilocks. But don't worry, this is not a sponsored advertisement or anything. Isa to sa mga gusto kong i-share sa inyo for this celebration. Yun. Let's open. Tulog ni mga kasama ko kaya hindi pwede magingay. Ayun. So, lagyan natin ng candle para naman celebrate natin mabuti. And this, my friend, is the cake para sa 22 subscribers. Ang dami nakakatuwa. I remember nag-start lang ako mag-post over a month ago. Although, yung channel na ginawa ko, ano siya, matagal na, like years na rin na nandun lang, naka-stock, naka-standby. Hindi naman sobra-sobrang years ago. I think over a year ago, nandun na siya. Pero giisipan ko. And then, years ago na siya kasi the very first channel na ginawa ko, I think that was way back in I think that was way back in 2011. Tapos, hindi na, yun lang, nilagay ko lang siya doon, pero hindi ko siya ginalaw. And then, gumawa uli ako ng panibagong account. Nag-steady lang siya doon, pero hindi ko siya, never, na nilagyan ko siya ng content, nor tried to, nor attempted na lagyan siya ng content. So, sabi ko, okay, yan ko lang siya. So, years passed, months, days, until only last month, over a month ago, when I decided na sige mag-post na ako. Kaya nga, kung babalikan ko yung mga una kong post last month, ganito yung itsura niya. And this one, ayan guys, if you can see, yun. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung ano talaga yung mga pwede kong i-post. Although, what I'm thinking or yung curated post na nasimulan ko. Kasi we have the short form and the long form. Only last month ko lang din nalaman na meron palang short form na pwede mong ilagay sa YouTube. similar to the other platform like TikTok. So yun, at what I find it so funny and weird, but at the same time inspired kasi the first short form na pinost ko, I think wala pang kalahating araw, um, was able to generate like, let me check. Ilan ba yun? Yung short, yeah, I was able to, the first short form, ito, na ginawa ko ito. Yeah, ayan. Meron siyang 1,200 views kaagad. At meron siyang 8 likes. Ang babaw ng kaligayahan ko. Pero after seeing that 1,200 views, only siguro kalahating araw lang yun or less than, yes, kalahating araw lang siya. Meron siyang 1,200 views. And I was so ecstatic. I was so happy. You know that kind of feeling na tuwan-tuwa ka kasi you feel like validated na may nanonood pala nung pinost ko. And then slowly, um, I took off from there. Slowly nagpo-post pa isa-isa. Pero ang tuno na yata, hindi pa. Marami pa akong gustong i-post pero hindi ko rin siya magawa dahil busy. Sobrang dami ng trabaho. But then, after kong nakita na yung subscribers, slowly, ayun, nadagdagan na siya, pa isa-isa. Ayun, if you can see that. They have 22 subscribers. Kaya gusto ko siyang i-celebrate with you. Natutuwa ako. Natin sobra. Na, alam mo yung, I thought when I did my first post, walang manunood. Walang well, honestly, yes. Feeling ko walang manunood nun. Number one, hindi rin alam ng family ko na meron akong YouTube channel na ginawa. Not even the closest friends of mine. Pero slowly, ano na siya, kinukwento ko na siya sa mga tao, kinukwento ko siya sa mga within circle of friends na meron na akong ginawa na YouTube channel. But if they ask me kung anong niche, siguro niche, wala pa akong may sagot na klaro kung ano talaga yung magiging direction nung channel. However, what I have in mind is to do or to follow my interest, to follow my passion, which is food, travel, life moments, things like that. Doon ko gusto mag-take off sa mga gusto kong i-post. Hopefully sa mga susunod, mas marami na akong pwedeng gawin. Or mas marami na akong pwedeng pwede pang ilagay. So, yun yung history. Doon nagsimula. Kaya, so today, again, allow me to celebrate this doon sa ayun, allow me to celebrate it with the 22 subscribers with this mighty cake. 'Di ba? Malay nyo sa susunod, may lechon na tayo, char. O di kaya mas malaki na yung cake natin. Pero again, from the bottom of my heart, allow me to say thank you for these people, for the subscribers who took time na mag-subscribe doon sa channel ko. For everyone, sa mga viewers who gave some of their time and efforts na panoorin to watch those videos. Yun, gusto ko lang magpasalamat. Masyado lang ako masaya. Kaya thank you so much doon sa 22 subscribers. If you happen to see this video, please leave a comment. Say hi. para makilala ko din kayo. So I can also, I can also thank you personally as, yun, thank you personally. I'm running out of words. I don't know how to say it, but deeply, I'm sincerely moved dun sa ano nyo, dun sa efforts nyo na mag-subscribe. What else? Ano pa ba? Future para sa channel. Well, I wish and I hope na mag-grow pa yung channel na to, able to post regularly, consistently with the contents of my interest, but at the same time, contents na pwede makatulong din sa mga viewers. Contents that has value, that can also impact the lives of other people. Contents that where people can also learn, pick up some bits of pieces from those things, and alam nyo, pwede nyong gamitin. Perhaps um, I can showcase some. Well, I'm not a good cook, pero marunong ako magluto, konti lang. Maybe I can post some of those cooking skills and share that dito sa channel, and hopefully someone also got the interest to try those recipes and ma-share nyo din sa iba. Yun. I wish and I hope na maraming lugar na mapuntahan, able to visit places, go to other countries, travel, meet new people, learn culture, and able to share that also dito sa channel. Dahil nga, even way, way before, hilig ko na talaga mag-travel, and that is one na gustong-gusto kong gawin. Ano pa ba? Also, able to share life moments na pwedeng kapulutan natin ng aral, perhaps things that I can also share with you guys na pwede natin pagkwentuhan. Okay, so again, if you are new in this channel, please like, comment below, let me know where you're from so we can have a quick chit chat, and also subscribe para naman sa ganun we can grow this community, we can grow in this channel. So ayun lang. So ayun, pero tikman natin tong cathedral. This is from Goldilocks. Bata pa lang ako, mahilig na ako sa ganito. My late mom or my late nana used to make window cathedral. Masarap siya. Try. Diba? Masarap. Yeah, just one. Kayo, mahilig din ba kasi ganito? Pero, you know what? The funny thing is, paborito ko siya, pero hindi ko man lang natutunan how to make a cathedral or window cathedral. Although, I've watched, several videos over YouTube on how to make cathedral. Pero, I never had the opportunity nor chance to make one for myself. Nor to make one or prepare to anyone, di ba? Hopefully, siguro yun, now you gave me an idea, guys. You gave me an idea. Siguro yun yung pwede kong gawin na content. Paano gumawa ng cathedral. It's a good dessert, though. Yun, siguro. You can also leave a comment, suggest ano yung pwede nyo isuggest na content na pwede kong gawin, na gusto nyo mapanood, gusto nyo makita, para pwede kong gawin on my free time. Yun din yung I think one of the reason why hindi ko magawa consistently. Pa isa-isa, once a week, or pag minsan pa nga It took me weeks before I can post another one. At tonight, yeah, only this night, earlier this evening, that I was able to post one from a video that I recorded earlier this afternoon. Nung bumili kami ng merienda, you can check the short form. You can check my channel. You can go to my short vids. Makikita nyo. Ito yung mga meriendang Pinoy. Kasi this afternoon, we went outside to buy some stuff. Tapos, bumili na kami ng merienda. At yun nga, ending, bumili kami ng, I think I should blow this candle na. Yun. Pumunta kami sa bilihan ng merienda. At, ayun, bumili kami ng lumpia. Lumpia is, well, for non-Tagalog speakers, if we say lumpia, lumpia is a fried spring roll that you, if you come here in the Philippines, if you visit the Philippines, just leave a message, let me know, or you should try lumpia pag nandito kayo sa Manila or anywhere in the country, anywhere in the Philippines, you can find lumpia. Just say lumpia, and people everywhere will be willingly and happy to assist you to find lumpia. You can find lumpia anywhere in the country. Oh, by the way, I think I forgot to introduce myself. I'm sorry. Nakalimutan ko. My bad. By the way, my name is Norman. My name is Norman. Or Norman Explores in YouTube. I'm managing the Balong on the Go channel. Yes, you can type that at Balong on the Go or Norman Explores. Ako yun. Ako si Norman. Perhaps some of you were thinking, why Balong on the Go? Why Norman Explores? Well, a little background. Balong is paano bang tawag doon? Balong is my nickname na ginagamit namin sa bahay whenever I go to the province, whenever I go home. Balong ang tawag talaga sa akin. Balong ang tawag nila sa akin way back then. When I was still a kid. People, my relatives, my parents call me Balong. So, Balong is a common name given to young lad, to boys, small boys, living in the province, especially if you're coming from the north, like you're from Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, or anywhere basta start ka going up north of the country or going to the northern part of Northern Luzon. Yan, Northern Luzon. It's a common name given to Ilocano. Small, mga batang Ilocano, lalaki. So yun. Guys, kain tayo. I'm afraid I can finish this in one sitting. I hope not. God forbid me. So yun, Balong on the Go because my life since kid is always on the go. And then Norman is my real name. At dinagdagan ko na lang Explore, Norman Explores. It's because I love exploring things. I love to cook. And most especially, I love to explore places. I love traveling. Kahit wala akong pera. Though, at times, if you were given the opportunity to travel, I just go and grab my bag, leave my place, leave the house, mag-travel. I think, that is also one of the perks if you're working, nakakapag-travel ka kung saan pwede, if the budget allows it, at kung kaya ng bulsa. Kasi hindi naman madali mag-travel. Okay? So, ayun. napapahaba na yung oras. Sabi ko, I'll just keep it short for 2 minutes or 3. Pero it's 12 minutes past 12 midnight na dito sa Pilipinas. If you're watching this video, or if you happen to came across into this channel and you are from in a different time zone, good evening. I would say, paano ba? Magandang umaga, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you are, guys. But here in the Philippines, it's 12 minutes past the hour of 12 midnight. Welcome to my channel, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving this channel an opportunity, a chance for, you know, staying for a while, watching this video. I sincerely, again, allow me to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I sincerely appreciate it for every comments, likes. Just hit the red button, and also if you could, if you like to subscribe, I really appreciate it. And well, I think I'm running out of words already. So again, I'll keep it here for now. I hope to see you again in my next video. Hope you will still stay. Ano pa? Yeah. So, thank you again to the 22 subscribers. Ayan, nasira ako ng kandila. I'm sorry. Again, to the 22 subscribers, maraming salamat. God bless. Cake. No, it's not a cake. It's a cathedral. Okay. This is for you. I'll save this para bukas may merienda. So, maybe, hopefully, when we reach 100 subscribers, we will celebrate it again with a bigger cake. This time, it will be a bigger cake na. And who knows, di ba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, may pelitson tayo pag 100 subscribers na tayo. Hopefully, we can reach that goal with your help. And road to 22,000, road to 100, road to 220 subscribers, road to 22,000. Who knows? Maka-reach din tayo 2 million or 22 million subscribers. Well, everyone is free to dream. Kaya, susulitin ko ng mangarap. So, again, Norman Explores, Balongan Ago. Say, love you, peace.